Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. So I'm on Amazon. This time I'm looking for Hello Kitty iPhone 11 cases. So I thought I would share with you what they had. They have so many, I was kind of surprised. They have like pink ones, they have some with My Melody, which is a Hello Kitty character, and they have some just white ones with her red bow, like the classic Hello Kitty look. They have blinged out Hello Kitty iPhone cases that are super cute. So if you're ever looking for like a certain iPhone case, you just search for it in Amazon and it comes up. So sometimes other things will pop up too, like, you know, this bunny here and that cell phone case, that cell phone looking case. But I really like this white one that's just simple. And this pink one is super cute. It was more like just a cat case. That Care Bear one is even cute. They have a leopard print bow, Hello Kitty. So this yellow one is bright and colorful. I love the pink one where she's holding a strawberry. That's so cute. And then this one, she has a hat on. And then there's a white one that's kind of like the yellow one with the same design. And there's a Olaf. That's super cute if you like the movie Frozen. And then there's a purple Hello Kitty. There's one with a bunch of bows on it. And there's a Minnie Mouse one. And a castle one is super cute. So they have so many cute Hello Kitty phone cases. I can't decide which one I would even want. But if I get anything, I'm sure to do a haul. So let me know which is your favorite. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.